Jasmine, and I'm doing 8.1 functions. And the EQ is, how can you use tables, graphs, or equations to represent a function? And the standard is MCC 8.F.1. So for your first 5, you will make a table and graph of y equals 2x plus 1. And here's your, I already set up the chart for you guys. All you gotta do is fill it in. Okay, for your guided practice, I'm gonna do number 1. You're gonna do 1 through 3, and you'll have to see, you'll have to table and graph the functions. So, number
3.
Okay, so number 1, I did it. Okay, I did it for you. So you will have to make a chart. You put your x and your y, your x input and your y input, and you'll use -1, -2, 0, 1, and 2, and you will have to do
And go.
Okay, so you have to do 2 times -1, which is 2, and then plus 4, which gives you -6, and then you do it again, 2, then you do 2 times -2, which is 4, and then you take 4 plus 4 will give you -8, and then you do the same thing, 2 times 0, which is 0 plus 4 will give you -4, and then you do it all again. 2 times 1, which is 2. And then you do 2 times 1, which will give you 2. Then you subtract that from 4, which will give you -2. And then you do 2 times 2, which will give you 4. And you subtract that from 4, and give you 0. Okay, that's number 1. So now we're going to do same thing for number 2. Okay, now number 2 is y equals 3x plus 4. So you will take 3x, which is 2, -2, plus, which 3 times 2, -2 is 6, plus 4 will give you -10. So then you take 3 times 1, and that would from 4, it gives you 1, +1, and then you do 3 times 0 plus 4 will give you 4, and then you do 3 times 1 plus, which will give you 3, plus 4 will give you 7, and then 3 times 2 plus 4 will give you a +10, and so that's number 2. Then we're moving on to number 3.
3.
Okay, so now we're on number 3. X equals 4x minus 3.
Why?
Oh, my bad. Y equals 4x minus 3. So you make your chart X and Y, and you use -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and then so now 4 times 2 3 will give you -11, and then 4, which is 1, plus 3 will give you -7, 4 minus 4 times 0 plus I mean subtract 3 will give you -3, and then 4x times 4 times 1, subtract 3 will give you 1, and then 4 times 2, subtract 3 will give you 5, and that's it for the guided practice.
3.
Okay, so for your independent practice, you will make a table and graph these. Make a table and graph of each function. It is on page 186. Oh, I skipped my example. So example 1 is determine if each relation represents a function. Here's one. You got your x and your y, 0, 1, 2, and 3. And then you got 5, 4, 3, and 2. This is a function because each no. This is a function because each input